Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Talents Toy Reviews. Today I'm going to be making homemade soap, but with farm animals in it. So let's go upstairs and let's get busy making homemade soap. These guys in the molds so that we can wash our hands and get the animals out. These are silicone molds. The kind that you use for baking. You don't want to use this for baking because soap can leave stuff behind. Alright, let's fill this up with soap base. Melt and pour base. Good. Okay, let me just pour it in. Let's pour it on top of the cow first. Good. Keep going. We need to melt more. What? We need to melt more now. We're gonna need to melt some more. So the last one. Alright, there you go, and we leave it for overnight. It hardens. Video, if you liked it, please leave a friendly comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. High five, guys.